like, God, what? How am I? The wind was so strong. Like, how can they be so strong? Like, how was those Those clouds are actually moving. It's in the video. Like, what? Oh my gosh. It's gonna rain on the camera. Oh, it already rained on the camera. Oh my god. Like, look at those trees. Oh my gosh. What? Things that I like can be blown away in this tornado warning. I don't know if it's... So, things that I like can be blown away in this strong wind warning. Go. Check all of the wind warnings. Can you see that sign right there? It is a little bit silly because of the wind. There is a wind advisory. Rain will be ending in exactly 8 minutes. Or, I think the rain has been stopped right now. Also, like I said, things that Ethan like or love can be blown away when it starts raining again. You might hear pows, or there might even be a tornado close to near where you are. Because if you live in Louisiana where we live, or right on our street somewhere, or where we live, that's where it can be. So, here we are again, back into the strong winds, and it is actually Thursday, not Wednesday. You might think this is Wednesday because it's so windy. So, look at all our plants. They're blowing. And mostly when they blow, it's because they're strong. And even if the moon fell, they would be floating. So, here's another strong wind. Didn't you just see that strong wind? I bet you could hear it. Look at our plants. It's about to stop raining. Maybe in about 5 or 4 minutes. Oh, look at the gate. Oh, you know what always happens? Look at that sign right there. Do not block driveway. I just now heard a pow. And I just don't know what it is. So, don't you know that Ethan likes stuff? Because I said so, and that is my name. And this is how I talk. Turn on your captions. Okay, now, there was just another strong wind. I don't know why we are having this strong wind. This is in Gonzales, Louisiana. Callow Ridge Drive. You can use your map because I'm just letting you know where we live. So, also, I think it's about to stop raining. Well, let's go see. Yep, it's still raining. And look at that bird. I don't know what it's doing out in the rain. And what is it doing so close to our house? And you can see all of our cool things if you would come to our house. So, I think you might have remembered if, well, I don't really know how to speak that good because I'm just a kid. I bet you didn't know I'm a kid and my name is Ethan. So sometimes, well, this iPad is not in a case. And what I call this is a tablet, which what I call an iPad a tablet. Do you call it an iPad or a tablet or a laptop? Do you call your computer a Mac or a PC or a laptop? And Ethan has ran out of storage. He ran out of storage and now he's making so much Minecraft recordings. I don't know why. And here I am. This is Ethan. And, well, I look like this. Huh? I'm just 6 years old. You might saw that in the, you might see that in the description of this channel. This video is not made of, this video is made for parents or stuff. It is set to not made for kids. So you can like and subscribe, maybe hit notification. You can get notifications. And please like and subscribe to this video and the whole channel. This video is made for parents. It's set to not made for kids. And please like and subscribe because you can like and subscribe. And you hit that notification button. Also, there might be no likes, but there will be a lot because I told you to like and subscribe. Okay, this is the end of the video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, that's why you should like and subscribe. And you can see my all other videos. And I have lots of videos for you to explore. And you might not know why I have them because I have videos of nothing and stuff that I don't need to record. And just to remember, my name is Ethan and I look like this. And mostly, I always need my camera to stand up because I record takeout. Well, look how beautiful our plants is. They're purple. I bet if you're a girl, purple would be your favorite color. Do you have plants? And also, what else you can do is comment if you have some plants. And comment if you love this video. And comment that you can use Google Maps. And comment about yourself. Oh, but I hope you enjoyed this video because this is the end. And look, the sun is about to start coming out and I think it's almost stopped raining. And good thing that there wasn't a tornado because then I won't be able to record it. But if it was a nighttime tornado, I bet you won't be able to see it only when the lightning strikes. Okay, so, and oh my God. Hey, you know what? I have something to record for you. Do you see those clouds? Do you see them? Is that cool? They're moving. Have you ever seen a cloud move? You can tell me in the comments. And I might turn on notifications, but I don't know if I can do that. But I think only you can turn on some notifications, so you can get notifications. And guess what else? I can know that you commented because I got some notifications about you because I have it on my phone. And then I can even comment back to you.